in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little gray mouse. Oh, yeah. I love writing songs, and sometimes I need help. And I jot things down on paper. Your kids may need help sometime, and this little video is about a songwriting template that you can use. When I write a song, I'm going to have lyrics. They're a poem, right? When your kids write songs, they're going to have lyrics. Like the lyrics up here on the board behind me. His eyes were brown, brown like a stone washed by the ocean, an ocean far from home. There's my lyric. Now, the issue is there's going to have to be some notes. So what do? We've got a kid, you got a kid right there, and they hand you this piece of paper. And, well, I wrote a song. And they may have written a song, and it's really just lyrics. Okay? When a kid says, hey, I wrote a song, it probably means they have some lyrics. And as you can see from how I've written it in 4 lines because that's the way you do. That's the way you do it. It's convention. Kids may or may not do that. It may just be one long sentence. It may look like prose. And it has to be broken down into individual phrases so that it's easier to notate. That's where the songwriting template comes in really handy. Let me show you.